Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to Studio for the I have installed Android 10 official version on my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus in 2020, and today I want to make the test review of my camera, the new camera and the new features. Okay, let's do it. Let's get it. Yeah, as you can see, this is my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Is amazing and 2020. In 2020, oh, this is great. As you can see, this is One UI version 11, and this is One UI version 2, Android 10. Okay, about phone, let's see this properly. You have Android 10 here. This is not a fake, it's crazy. Official version. Wow. I'll make a video to show you how to install this. Now, let's go to the test review of the camera. The camera of Samsung is here, and wow, open this. When you open, you have this. This is because you have a SD card into. Wow, look at here. Click on console for me, and look at that now. This is what I'm talking about. It's new, beautiful. There are some beautiful new icons here. Photo, live focus, great. Video, which is amazing. Click, can recording, wonderful. Stop. You can watch a video is here. Here, you can play. Wow. Hello. And this is what I'm talking about. Okay. Oh, go back. Look at here. Crazy. Look at that. Wonderful. Okay, go to settings. Look at all of this. With your camera. Wonderful. Okay. Front camera. Beautiful. Wonderful. You have LGR. Always apply. Great. Guideline. Hello. Go back. And this is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about, bro. So crazy. You have more. When you click on more, you have night mode, full panorama pro, and another welcome on Android 10. This is nice. You can see RR emoji BSB vision. Wow. Let's see night mode. This is night mode. When you click on this, wow. Can wait. We try again. Stop the camera and take it. Don't move. Dada, don't move. Let's see. Look at this picture. You have more detail. Okay, great. Go back. What? Okay, go back. What I can how I can go back? What? Have you seen this? Camera, where are you? is here. Look at fat. This is not mode. You can zoom with this. Look at. Wonderful. Send optimizer off. Send optimizer on. Flash for you. What else? More. Emoji. Hello. 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 What? Look at that. This is your new RR emoji. Update RR emoji. Okay, you need to download. Okay. I will do this after. This is for your camera. Great. What do you think about this? Crazy. This is camera version 10. The last update. Wonderful. I like it. Okay. Say to me what you think about this under this video and get ready for the next video. You can take also slow motion videos. Okay, slow motion videos and another panorama, slow motion, hyperlapse, super slow motion. This is crazy. Let's test slow motion quickly. Look at what I can do. Look at. Okay, stop it. Click here. Play slow motion. Hello. Look at now. Wow. This is slow motion. Wow, crazy. Okay, great. This is for Instagram and number. Okay, you can test this yourself. Go back. And you can see so fast. So very, very fast. Look at. Wow. This new camera is so fast, so very nice. I like it. This is what I'm talking about. Great. Live focused. Live focused. What I can do with this? Live focused. Okay. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Oh, look at that. Click on OK. What? Okay. Turn. This is for live focus. Let me take a photo. Look at that. What is this? I feel that this is slow motion. This is emoji. This is what I think. Click on next. Oh, create emoji. You need to retake. If you want, you can retake. Look at. What? What are you doing here? What are you doing here, bro? Oh, you can move. You can move. Look at this guy. He's so black. What? Look at his face. Are you kidding me? What is face? Okay, great. Change your color. Yeah, this is crazy. This is crazy. Let me disable the flash. Look at. This is crazy. This is crazy. Look at my hair. Wonderful. Face hair. Wow. Great. What do you think, bro? Great. Wonderful. Okay, this is your camera. Your new camera. You can see background blue. Look at, yeah. Wonderful. Okay, this is your camera. You can test yourself. Listen to me what you think about this. Thank you.